On the way to work, got the infamous Division Street hill, but there's cars in the way, so let's see if you could get to roller coaster it. Smash it! Woo! That was weak. Hey, the weather people got it right. They said 100% chance of rain today. You want to see where the fastest Evo in San Diego is? All right, we're gonna check out Dr. Boost's shop. That's where Dr. Boost does his tuning. All right, we just got here to her PT appointment. We're a little early, but little early is better than a little late. Woo! It's windy out here, girl. Put your sweater on, or your hoodie, piggy. Okie dokie. Going up the 3rd floor. See, that wasn't so bad. It was pretty cool, huh? Doing physical therapy. Excuse me. Pretty cool. You good? You did great. All right, another house call. Gotta look at the homie Ryan's cousin's car. Rod has an element. It looks like it has a misfire according to him. Let's go check it out. Rainy San Diego day. Gate ain't open. That's weird. I'm just glad I'm off today, you know?
Oh, yeah.
So how far were you guys when it started misfiring?
125 at the pool.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you don't want to drive it because if you drive it, and you have an evident misfire, was the check engine light was blinking?
Flashing.
Yeah. That means you do have a misfire and it's bad enough to harm the catalytic converter. And you don't want that. That's why I said don't drive it. That's why you said I could force it to you, but nah, you don't want to do that.
I think it's misfire. And then I check the code.
All right, let's see what's up. Well, I'll pull the code again just to make sure, and then from there start doing like maybe a cylinder balance test. Morse code for H. Did you know that?
Which one?
That sound that you're hearing?
Yeah.
That's Morse code for the letter H.
Is that what it is?
Yes, sir. Yep. A lot of people know that. A lot of people don't. So misfire number 1 is what I saw. So that's good. It's just one cylinder, because normally when it's one cylinder, then it'll be easier to chase. You know, because okay, we'll start with number 1, then we could do, swap out the coil and then run the car, and then hopefully if the misfire is bad enough, it'll jump to the next cylinder.
Okay.
If it's the coil, it's either the coil, the spark plug, or the injectors. But for the most part, it's usually the coil. Let's hope. And we don't want it to be mechanical. Mechanical means it's the engine. Like, whether the piston rings and it's kind of game over. Yeah. So okay.
Want me to hold it?
Let's go. I got it.
You see?
Yeah, I got practice, man. Shoot, multitasker. Multitasking. So what I might have you do once I have this, probably start the car.
Okay.
Then we could do the cylinder balance test. Okay. Just doing a visual, making sure like rodents didn't get into chewing the wiring. I mean, because if he chewed any of this, injectors, then, well, it's not done. You can fix it, like, repair the wire or wire harness, but that'll cause a misfire. Yeah, go ahead and start it, because we don't want to leave the ignition on for a long time. Oh yeah, it's definitely misfiring. Let it kind of warm up for a second. So only on acceleration, that's when you felt it. So we'll let it idle for a little bit more, then I'll have you gradually step on the gas. Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, it could be an injector issue if the misfire only happens when you give it gas. Because if it's not misfiring right now, then we know it's probably not the coils.
Oh, because it's running.
Yeah, because it's running fine, Yeah. Yeah, but on when you give it gas, you know, you're telling, you know, the computer like give this full, give this thing, give it more fuel, and that's the injector's job. Yeah, it's totally smooth right now, but when you first started it, you know, cold.
Yeah.
I heard the misfire. You can hear the engine like,
well, yeah, it's kind of rough.
Yeah, rough idle, you know. But it's smoothed out right now. All right, car is warmed up, and it is running smooth at idle. So let's see if I rev it. Yeah, bro, it's not missing right now, man. That is weird. So another thing that could cause a misfire like that too is if the EGR opens up at the wrong time, or if the EGR is hanging up. Let's see if it even has an EGR, because some of these cars don't. Yeah, it does not have an EGR. So we're back to square one. I'm thinking possibly injector deposits. Well, injectors deposits happen gradually through time. It's not just gonna happen from just sitting, you know. So yeah, I'd probably go with that fuel injector cleaner, and then go from there. Yeah.
Try driving it around.
Yeah, drive it around, let it get hot, you know. Sorry, Rod, pressed for time, so we'd go deeper into this, but that's what I would try. In the meantime, let's clear the code, and then just keep me posted.
Yeah. I'll let it run for a while.
Yeah, let it run right now, actually. Let it idle. Okay, code is cleared. And then we'll follow up on this. Windy day today. Just picked up wifey from work. Now we're at another hospital. She had to return some stuff. You can hear all the Filipino nurses in the background with their gossip. Man, they're kind of loud. Wifey wanted to return her wallet that I got for her for Christmas. Surprisingly, she wants to get a cheaper one. I know, right? Hard to believe. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. This reminds me of that movie Mannequin. Watch her move. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. The Devil Wears Prada. The Devil Wears Prada. Now we off to Krispy Kremes. How's it going back there? Good, good. All right. Cool. Krispy Kreme, we meet again. Finally heading home, leaving the Claremont Mesa area. Late evening Starbucks.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. Can I get food tonight?
Pouring now. Finally made it home, all this grocery. Got to be brought upstairs. Been out all day. What's up, Mamba? You're probably wondering where we went, huh? 3-hour massages. Man, I need me one of those, Mamba. I don't know, but I'm almost tempted to make this an iced green tea latte. What you think? What you think?
That's hot.
Oh yeah, this became a venti now. From hot green tea latte to iced green tea latte. Trying to make some chimichurri sauce for the first time, so we'll see how this turns out. I don't really have oregano, but I have cilantro and parsley. All right, there it is. Let's see if it tastes good. Hold up. Let me try that again. Have some chips though. Oh, yeah. Not bad. I think we're on to something here, guys. I'm gonna start making chimichurri sauce from now on. Anyway, hope you guys had a good one. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace! Okay, it's drizzling, so I don't know what's gonna happen. It's gonna start raining hard pretty soon. Raining threes!